Has you really been far, even as decided to use even go want to look more like? Call 985-655-2500 inside the details for go further and even more decided to use. You can really be far as decided twice as much to use and go wish for it. When you decide far even once to use and go want, then get really far even as decided to use and look more like and go after. It's just common sense. Apply today.
So is it any wonder people are afraid of technology?
Technology!
Oh my god.
It's a weird fucking tone, man.
That's just the way he sounds. He has an asshole voice. Joe, tell him he's okay.
Everything is great.
Dude.
Fuck.
Father, I've consumed beef slicings and egg yolk, and I hunted down everything that moves.
Mummy, I dropped my Grimkit.
Hi, welcome to the Maid Cafe, where we're cuter than kittens. I'm the diversity hire, Bryson. Are you here for the gamer discount? Okay, I can explain. Oh my god, what the...
What's wrong, Bowen? Why did you poke the frog? But it's just a frog. Make it get off.
I think we're dead. Hey, look how Curtis died!
If you kill a killer, the number of killers in the world stays the same.
Killed 2. I've killed like 100 today.
Holy shit! He's right!
I miss my wife, Tails. I miss her a lot. I'll be back.
Excuse me? Are you British? Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Not to let me could have not talk to British people. Really outside the people in your room. Second.
Girl, why are you crying? My boyfriend was cheating on me. Oh my god, how did you find out? I saw him kissing a girl at Applebee's. Applebee's? Girl, that was me. I guess I took your man. Oopsie.
Let me see what you have. No!
Yep, just completed fixing this fence. Pretty proud of it, I'd have to say. Try to keep selling the art. Damn it.
Alright, shopping list. Bread, milk, pasta, eggs, mayo, cocaine. Just kidding.
Gandalf the White. Gandalf the Fool. Who can play that game? Saruman the White. Or should I say, Saruman the Stupid. What? Saruman the Silly. Stop that. Saruman the Wrinkly. Stop. Saruman the Stinky! No!
Mark! Where the hell are you going dressed like that?
I'm going to Dave's fancy dress party. I'm a tortoise.
Dave's fancy dress party's tomorrow night.
I fucking know it is. But I'm a tortoise.
Wow. Look at the crowd today, Ina. Everyone's ugly.
The end of the match is not a foregone conclusion. In spite of these scores you see here, we'll get rid of those scores right now. We will, of course, add them to whatever the...
Hey, Brad's score's still on there.
Wow. It's gotten to be that kind of competition, hasn't it?
90% of the time, I have no idea what the fuck I'm talking about.